Hello, my name is Nicole Sloane. I am a criminal defense attorney in Erie County, Pennsylvania, and this message is for those of you who have recently been charged with criminal offenses, especially if it is in Erie County, Pennsylvania. First, I want to talk with you about what you may be feeling or going through right now. Regardless of whether or not you committed the offense alleged or your culpability in regards to that offense, you're going to be going through a difficult period of weeks or even months. I want you to think about a couple things. First of all, I want you to make sure that you're getting enough sleep. I want you to make sure that you are eating right, taking care of yourself in other ways as well. Exercise if you are able for stress relief, and certainly I'd ask you to please avoid any kind of additional criminal conduct. It is not uncommon for people to be stressed out and begin to increase their drinking or even unfortunately sometimes drug use, and then get a DUI on top of what they're already going through. So I want you to think about taking care of yourself during this difficult time. The second thing I want to talk with you about is treatment. If you're an individual who's living with either mental health issues or perhaps substance abuse issues, there's no time like the present to get assistance for those. If you aren't already in treatment and you have drug and alcohol issues, certainly you can feel free to call Erie County's Department of Drug and Alcohol, and they'll do an assessment for you and help you find the best counselor for you. Likewise, if you have mental health issues, continue going to the counseling you're already going to, find a counselor on your own, or you can call a number of other entities for counseling, such as Stairways Behavioral Health, Safe Harbor, Corey Counseling in Corey, Pennsylvania. There's a variety of other agencies available to assist you. I also want to talk with you about the need to retain or otherwise obtain an attorney to assist you. It doesn't matter how minor your charge is, or if you think that it's just going to be resolved at the preliminary hearing level. It is really important that you seek competent legal counsel, an attorney to assist you, because frankly, you don't know what you don't know. A charge that you may think is relatively minor, for example, small amount of marijuana, comes with collateral consequences like a driver's license suspension. So because you don't know what you don't know, it's important that you seek the assistance of a competent attorney. Now, how do you do that? If you have the means to hire an attorney, you need to do that. And how do you find one? Someone that you've used in the past, referrals from friends or family members. Erie County Bar Association has an attorney referral where you pay a nominal fee and someone advises you for a short amount of time, and then you can hire that person. Or certainly the Pennsylvania Association of Criminal Defense Lawyers website. That's PACDL for short, PACDL. It has a link on the website that allows you to find an attorney in your area that's a member of the Pennsylvania Association of Criminal Defense Lawyers. You can also, if you qualify, you could also have a public defender. Now, public defenders, especially in Erie County, are exceptionally trained and experienced. I'm a public defender, and my colleagues are all very good attorneys. You would come to the public defender's office at 509 Sassafras Street in Erie. Bring any kind of income verification that you have, such as pay stubs, and you can complete an application and see if you qualify for indigent representation or a free attorney. I also want to talk with you about statements. Certainly, you should not be talking about your charges to anyone, and that includes friends and family, unfortunately. If you're incarcerated, you should not be talking on the phone, either in person when someone comes to visit, or when you call someone, you should not be talking about your case. Office of Children and Youth, the police, you shouldn't be making a statement to anyone. Who should you be talking with about your charges? Your attorney, and you should be candid with your attorney. And you should tell your attorney as soon as possible if there's video evidence or other evidence which may assist them in representing you, because sometimes, such as video evidence, sometimes expires over time. So it's important that your attorney get that evidence as quick as possible. Last but not least, I want to talk with you about your relationship with the alleged victim. If your case has a victim, whether it's a theft case, an assault case, regardless what it is, if there is a victim involved, do not contact them, because you or friends or family, if they're doing it as well, you could all be charged with intimidation of a victim. Keep anything also that the alleged victim sends you, whether that's a message or a text, any communication, or even a letter, any communication by the alleged victim, you need to keep that and turn that over to your attorney as quickly as possible. I hope this has been helpful for you, and I wish you luck in the weeks and months to come and for a favorable resolution for you.